Alright guys, so I have purchased a new IEM to test whether it is good or not. So this is the new 02 IEM for gaming. I mean, it's the best budget for gaming. So let's see what's inside this one. I have already unboxed it, but I am unboxing it one again time. So you're gonna get so this is plastic, nothing else, and this is the buds. We're gonna get two buds, and then this is the wire which you're gonna get, and extra bud cover, and that's the paperwork. So that's all. Basically you get this thing, and this thing. Let's see how it looks. So it basically looks like this. Okay, and this was all about unboxing. Alright, so let me tell you how it how is it while using it. So basically I have purchased I have purchased 4 IEMs which are like KZ casters. I have purchased one 02 and EDX Pro, and then there is one more which is higher. It's not lies under $50. It's just like $59 or $60. It's very common, it's very popular in YouTube, which is called tooth hair red. I have purchased the red one, I think. So it comes under two varieties, blue and red. So it's like tooth hair Crinacle red, something like that. So I purchased that one. It's like $59. So basically I'm gonna talk about this one. How is it, if you wanna buy it, or if is it good or not. See, on comparing with the budget range, there are generally 3-4 IM which are very popular. One is EDX, KZ caster, and 02. So I have compared I have tested all of them. So while considering this one, I will come to straight to the point. You can consider it as for gaming. It's not for music, to be honest. The reason is that it doesn't have that much bass, so you cannot use it. Like, you can use it for music, but you will not be able to enjoy that much music, because it doesn't have that much bass. So it's okay if you want to hear listen like some normal music, it's okay, but like for like vocal music and or different high bass music, it's not good. Considering for gaming, I have tested it for like every type of gaming. Generally people buy it for FPS gaming. So if considering for FPS gaming, this is a good choice, but it's an average. It's not that good as KZ caster, but it's good, you can use it. But still, since it does not have that much bass, so you can hear the footsteps, directional footsteps from where they are coming. But still you will have to what you say you have to be very careful while playing the game, because sometimes you may miss the footsteps. And its voice is very like what say how to say, it's like it's gonna create fatigue in your ears, because it doesn't have a bass. So it's like little bit of crunchy voice, but it's not that very soft. It's like very hard crunchy noise that will make your ear very fatigue. And generally it has very very less bass. So when you play the game, you will hear like troubleness and bass treble is very high, so you will hear the things, but it's like everything is gonna be mixed because they doesn't have a bass. But yes, it doesn't have any equalizer to tune it, so everything comes by predefined, so everything is okay. But yes, for an average you can play the game. For mobile games you can play the games, but like for very immersive gaming like Apex Legend, PUBG, or X Refined, or Battlefield, Call of Duty, Warfare, everything, it's gonna be, you can play it, but sometimes you may miss the footsteps. But on an average you can play with it. It's not like that you cannot play with it, you can play with it, but it's like slightly less because since it doesn't have a base. And I if you want okay, um, if I want to give you the recommendations, I will say, if you want less bass, then you can go for it. But if you want little higher bass with everything footstep, then you can go with KZ casters. It's like, this is not any paid review, it's just like I'm giving my own opinion. So if you want, you can go with KZ caster, because I'm using KZ caster, so I have tested it, so everything is working fine. They have uh, equalizers, manual equalizers, so you can tune it according to you, and they all have a same bass range. uh, I mean, sorry, I mean the price range is same for both of the IEM. And if you don't want any hassle of doing equalizer, and you want everything predefined, and you don't care for bass, then you can go for it. If you want bass, if you want an if you want that, if you want to listen your music also, if you want to play game also, and if you want everything in balance mode, like gaming and music, everything, then you can go for KZ casters. And if you just want a gaming and a new music with little less bass, then you can go with this one. Alright guys, so I want to add another thing. uh, this IEM doesn't have a mic, inbuilt mic. So if you are looking for IEM which has inbuilt mic, then you will have to go with the another IEM, because it doesn't have a IEM. So that's all. And if you want to know any other thing, just please let me know.